Generally, what are the spread differences between national and international prices?
The spread difference is normally 40 rupees, 50 rupees on per 10 gram basis, which comes to around 0.2%, 0.3%. And sometimes the prices are high in India, sometimes prices are low in India compared to international price, depending upon local demand and supply factors.
How do you think this spread is comparable to gold ETF funds?
In case of gold ETF, the local pricing or the local demand and supply factor is not discounted, rather it is more linked to international price. The reason is that the formula for calculating NAV is based on London price of gold rather than based on Indian price of gold. And because gold ETF is not convertible into gold coins, therefore nobody can buy gold ETF for the purpose of taking delivery of gold. So therefore it is a notional value which is reflected in terms of that NAV. It is not the resale value at which gold can be sold in India, rather it is a value of gold deriving its value from London price, which is in turn quoted in dollar terms, and because of fluctuation in rupee dollar, the price quoted in London is not sometimes reflecting the current price of gold in Mumbai market or any market in India.
How much one should invest in gold as part of his portfolio?
Our recommendation would be that at least 15 to 20% of investment portfolio should be held in the form of gold. The reason is that it provides a very good risk reward ratio, and it provides a diversified portfolio which controls the risks relating to portfolio management, and also provides a average out of reward in terms of averaging out over a period of time in terms of beating against inflation.
What are the tax benefits on investing gold through exchange?
There is no specific tax benefit as such. It is considered like the same investment, just like gold. So it will be subject to a long-term capital gain if a person is holding a gold for a period of 3 years. If it is less than 3 years, then it will be considered as short-term capital gain.